Hello, in this problem we have 2 points on a line, and we have to find the slope of the line. So we'll start by writing down the formula for slope. The formula for slope is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So now we can go ahead and label our points. So x1, y1, we can make this one be x1, y1, and maybe this one is x2, y2. All right, so let's go ahead and plug in the numbers. So in the numerator, we have y2 minus y1. So that'll be -1, that's our y2, minus, and then y1. But y1 is 4. Okay, so again, it'll be y2 minus y1, which is -1 minus 4. Then you divide, so you draw a line, and then it's x2 minus x1. So that's -1 minus, it's a little tricky, another negative, so -2. Okay, so -1, it's -1 minus -2. Okay, so -1 minus 4 is -5 over, and then this becomes a +2, right? It's a double negative, so you just get a 1 on the bottom. -1 plus 2 is 1. So you get -5. So we have a negative slope. This is the slope. And so because we have a negative slope, the line falls. Okay, so it falls in this case. If you get a positive slope, it rises. If you get a negative slope, it falls. If you get a slope of 0, it's horizontal. And if you get an undefined slope, it's vertical. I hope this video has been helpful to someone out there in the world. Good luck.